Okay, so create the next file. You can write file name table 3 have reached, table 4 you write. Okay, table 4.html. Okay, so in this file, we'll be implementing the call span especially. So let's start from the HTML and follow the body tag, and then under body tag, we can write call table. We'll write few property of table. Example, aligns will be there. Should be in center, CENTER. Cell padding one property. N is okay. And one more property called border. So this much we can add and understand the call span. Caption you can write. Under caption, we can follow tag called H1. Call span. Example. Call span example. Next TR will follow. PH will follow. And we can write again some user ID. Next column we can call TH full length. One more TH you can add. Mobile number. One more TH you can add. City. One more TH you can add. Education. So this much will be okay to understand the call span. Okay, so first TR is ready. Now come for the second TR. In the second tier, for first user, all the details are available. TD will follow 01, any name, mobile number, city, next education. Okay, so first user have all the details. Check now. Something like this. Simple table. Now for the second user, city is not mentioned. Then what will be the table structure? Let's go. Write the second tier. For second user, city is not available. City is not filled while filling the form. How the table will look? 02. Next TD will be surname. Next TD will be mobile number. Then city is not filled, directly education is there. City is not filled, directly education is exist. You will see the column count will be mismatched. Column count little here there. After running the page, will come to know. You will find education is going in front of city. Education will go in front of city. Education came to the city. Education came to the city. In this case, we have a feature in the table. That property name is called call span. Using call span, you can extend the space of 1 TD to 2 TD, 3 TD, 4 TD. You can combine the space of 1 TD with this other TD, 2 TD space, 3 TD space, 4 TD space, multiple TD space we can combine together. We can see city is missing. Now before city, which column is present? Mobile number, right? Before city, mobile number is present, 222222. So it will be responsibility of mobile number to take the place of next TD also. Or other option is there, you can leave the empty TD, TD open and close, leave empty. So if you are leaving empty, you will not get option to implement the which one? Call span. So we will go to the mobile number. and we will just ask the mobile number that your call span is 2. Means you are taking your place, you take it. And along with that, take the space of next column also. So one is the missing column and one is the current one. So total will become as a 2. So it will fit properly. You can try it. Okay, check now. So hope it look like this. Now double column space got combined with 1 TD. That is called a call span. Check with these people. Your page look like similar. You can see here. City and mobile space combined together. Let me know also. There was not much logic. One TR you created, you added only TH. Second TR you created with all the details. The third TR you wrote where city was missing. Now the city space we given to the mobile number. Saying like call span 2 means take your space and take the next space. So mobile number will combine the space of 2 column together. Looking similar or different? You can reply in the chat. Go for the next year, the third year. In third year, city is available, but education is missing. In third year, city is available, everything is available, education is missing. What will be the table structure? So first serial number will come 02. Next name will come. Next TD will come. Mobile number. This will be 333. Next TD will come. All city. But last TD is missing. That's called education. Last TD is missing. That is called education. Now, if we run it, we'll feel like one column is missing, the last one. One column is missing, last one. Correct? So, in that case, it will be responsibility of city column to take the space of next one. Right? So, Pune, you have written here, it will be responsibility of the first occurrence. Right? Suppose you saw in the previous MCA was there, but we are given the space to the previous one. Before city, which column exists? Mobile number. So call span, row span, you should not give for the last occurrence. You have to give for the first occurrence. One column is missing. Before that, which column is exist? That should take the next space. Previous should not take the before space. Okay. Come now. For the Pune now, you will write again call span equal to 2. One is the current TD and one is missing. So 1 plus 1, 2. You will feel like table is complete. Missing column, space got combined. Understanding what is the meaning of call span? Horizontal. This is called horizontal. Horizontally, when you want to combine the spaces of multiple cells, you have to use the call spans. But from top to bottom, if you want to combine the space, you have to use the yesterday one. That's called row span. Now, next condition is such a way where the third user has given only name, remaining everything is missing. So how it will be? Come to the code. This should be 3, user number 3. Write the fourth user where person has given only name, remaining all fields are missing. TR TD 04 04. Okay. TD some name you can write. Okay. Next, after that, mobile is missing, city is missing. Correct? As well as education is also missing. So in that case, what we'll do? Call span equal to how much it should come? How many are missing? Education is missing, city is missing, mobile number is missing, correct? 3 is missing and 1 is the current one. So 3 plus 1, 4 will be there. Call span will be 4. Call span will be 4, not 3. 4 we have to write. Save it now and check. It look like this. If reply not come, it feel like people are out of the track. Yes, no, should keep coming. We'll come to know, yes, you are on the track. Check now. Check the row number 3, row number 4. Not very logical. This is the only maximum logic in table, HTML. Okay, call span and remaining all are still remember. TD not good. So TD not good, it will suddenly worry about it. Okay. Now get started. Remove the you are not written barriers. Value are not data. Okay. You have paid houses. What are the spelling income? This college and went out to Yes, it is, but not save the file. Now, what you understood using the call span? When we want to combine the spaces of multiple TH or TD, like here you combine the space of 3TH with 1. Here you combine 2 TDS space, here 4 TDS space. Previous one also you combine the 2 TDS space. So when we wanted to combine the space of more than 2 TD or TH, then we use the property called call span. Okay. Now come next user we have whose only education is missing. Next user, all details are there. This is there, this is there, this all everything is there. Only missing part is called education. No, education will be there. Missing part will be called city. Like this. The user number 4, user ID will be there, name will be there, mobile will be there, education will be there. What will be missing? City. So in that case, where you will apply the call span? For mobile. For mobile, if you write the call span, then it will take the place of city also. How it is? It's here, no? Right, same way. Okay. So no, already have made that. Already have made that. What we made? This is available. This one was missing. Right. This here mobile number is available, and then education was missing. Right. Come now. So add the one more user in the last. Add one more user in the last, where it will have. Hello. Yeah. Hello. After 3 months. What's your name? 4 months will take total. Sierra. 4 months. The opening are happening from here. Placements are happening from here, from Info Campus. There is a person name called Prasant. Prasant, he is the placement coordinator. So he will be taking care of placement work. Okay. The remaining we can talk to Kirtana tomorrow. Okay, so hope written TD. Let's come to the next TD. 01, not 01, 05. Okay, 05. Next, write the next TD. Give some name. Any name. Now this user is in such a way. So user number 5 and user number 6. Both the user education is same. User number 5 and user number 6. Both the user education is same. So first fill all the details of user number 5. TD. Next should be called phone number 5555555. Next TD will be called city name. Example, maybe you can write Delhi. Next education will be called BBA. Okay. The education of user number 5 and education of user number 6 is the same. Education of user number 5 and education of user number 6 is same. Okay. So how that look? First you see the user number 5 have all the details. Now user number 6 and user number 5 education is same. So call span or row span. Which property you will use? The data of row number 5 and data of row number 6 is similar for the last TD, correct? So you need to combine the space of two TD, not horizontally, vertically, top to bottom. Okay, so top to bottom, when the matter will come, it will be called as a row span, not as a call span. Okay, let's write down. So TD we can follow 06. Next TD we can follow some name. Right. Next TD we can follow some number. Next TD we can follow right. Now next TD is also there that represent the similar duplicate value BBA BBA duplicate record become duplicate, right? First user number 5 also BBA, user number 6 also BBA. Since you can see record similar data is in the just one to next. It is not like there is something else in between, right? If something else will come in between, then you cannot combine. But now you have just one to next, right? One to next, and both are similar data. So you can utilize here the property of row span, and you can display BBA one time, and that will represent to both the user. User is in city, Chennai and Delhi, but the education is same. So instead of printing two times, you can print one time. BBA is printing in both the rows. Now go to the row number 5 and write here called row span. Row span equal to row span equal to 2. Okay, row span 2. This row span 2. Now in the row number 6, you don't need to write the BBA again. You have to delete it, else that will go outside. That will become one extra column. The space of this place will get occupied by this TD. So this TD is not required. If with this TD, if you see, I'll show you how that look. Can you see that? Went outside. Because column count mismatch happened. So we should remove this. Or instead of removing, there is other option called comment. We can also comment like this. Comment this. Okay. And then see that. 8 minutes. Hello. Hello. MongoDB. Both options are there. You can choose either MySQL or MongoDB. MySQL, okay, no problem. Both options are there. MongoDB is also there. You can choose either MySQL or Commented last TD. Now see, column will match properly. The third seventh user we have. Seventh user mobile number and sixth user mobile number. Both are same. Seventh number user mobile number and sixth user mobile number. Both are same. Try a last write. Write one more line, one more row in the last where the user number 6 mobile number and user number 7 mobile number. Both are same. User number 7 have their own education. Everything is there, but the mobile number is same. So what you will write and where you will write? Try once. I will also write, but after 2 minutes. After looking into your user number 6 mobile number and user number 7 mobile number. Both are same. So how will you use the voice command? Comment आपने start किया है but close नहीं किया है. लोग लगा के comment close किया. जल्दी start हो. Anyone written? Right? Let me guide you. I'll write a TR. First in current TR, what you should do? In row number 6, for the mobile number you have to write row span 2. Row span 2. In the row number 6, we have to write row span 2 for the mobile number. So that it will take the space in current row and it should take the space in the next row also. At same time, you need to remember in row number 7, you should not mention the mobile number. That TD itself is not exist. Should not exist. Okay. So let me write here now. TR TD 07. Next TD some name. Next TD that is called mobile number itself. That is already taken by previous TD. TRY I am writing. We should write next TD call city. Next TD will be called education. Right. Now mobile number of row number 6 and mobile number of row number 7 should remain same. Should remain same. How that look? Let us see again. See, look like this. Clear? Row span and col span. Now I'll show you the photo that after going home you need to do the homework. Okay. Photo I'll send today in the group only. I'll send in the group tomorrow. You can create account in application and from there you download. I'll show you where is that and what type of assignment is that. Then you can try. Working for all? Working. Okay, when I click on HTML set, you'll see these all are the photos. Now, if I click on the first photo, something like this. You can see in the first row, which property is used here? Row span or call span? Call span. And here you use call row span. Simple border, something you can give, it will look like that. Okay. So row span and call span. This one I will send you in the WhatsApp group. You will do today. Where is HTML? Okay, let me create one folder. Now, when I click on this, how many rows, how many columns? 3 rows, 2 columns. In that, second TD is taking the place of 3 rows. So you will use the row span. Let me download this also. 2. Next, after that, come to the third one. In third one, you can see first row, first column, second column, third column, first row, second row, third row, 75%. The Ali has got in physics 75%, and Umar has got in physics how much? 75%. Right. So here again, yes. So let me save it also. The third one, row span. Now when I click on this, now you can see the first one is call span 3. 3 columns are here, so 3 column. Then product number, P name, P count, pen, book, dust, all are 50 quantity. So 50 checking the total 3 rows, right? So will be called row span 3. Save the image, called 4. Next, this both are same, I think. No, it's look different. Different. So in this case again, this name and this telephone, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is taking total space of 4 columns. So we can write call span 4. For telephone number, call span 4. Right? Below remaining all normal TSTD. Let's save it. Fifth one. Okay. Next, after that, let's look into the next photo. This one. Okay. It is little. Now see the first row, first TH, first row, first TH, row span 2. Then only it will take the first row, second row. Then first row, second TH, call span also 2. Second column. Then after that, all are next, after that, remaining all are normal. So let me add this also in your list. Which one? Sixth one. So sixth one you reach till here. Now, when this is same. This one and this one is same. Now when I look into this one, in that you can see a little different structure. Right? Math, physics, computer. For David. Name is David, and so this is taking how much rows? 3 rows. This is also taking 3 rows. So ID 3 rows, and this is also 3 rows. Here also 3 rows, here also 3 rows. Correct? So how many photos are there? 5, 6, and one is called 7. So this 7 page is enough for one day. Okay. So now this 7 page I will send it in a group. Okay, and then we'll continue with the remaining. And how you will submit it, that also I'll guide you. 7 p.m., 7 p.m., 7 p.m. Where is 7 p.m.? We have removed many people from the list. We'll go here, desktop, HTML, assignment. Total 6 photos are coming to your chat. Okay, so homework for today. Homework is called today homework. Okay, how to submit, that also I'll guide you. After doing the page, like how will come to know you are doing homework? Now suppose we created this page, you will also create the page in home. You will look into the photo in WhatsApp and you will write the code in system. Okay, some knowledge transfer happen, I believe. Okay, based on your assignment, how you are posting back. Now suppose you will create a page, first photo, which is the first photo, this one, right? You will create a file assignment1.html. You will create a folder called HTML assignment, and in that you will create file assignment1.html, and you will write the code for this. Correct. After that, you will run your page. Your page will look like this. Correct. Then you will take your phone, and after that, you will go to the WhatsApp group, and on the camera. After that, take the photo of your screen, something like this, and post it. Okay. So you will post like this, it will come here. Let me know. So what I posted, that came here, right? One photo that represent, yes, I am doing the homework. Okay. If in this anything modification is required, when you post according to time, I'll reply you. Here use the call span, here use row span, here use something, here use something. Or maybe I will reply before that, someone else also can reply you. This one should be like this, this one should be like this. Okay. So that is the way. What we'll do, you will create the pages. After creating the page, you will run the page, then go to the WhatsApp, then take a photo, post. Source code no need to send. Okay, no need to upload your code. Send the which one? Photo of the page, right? So that is the homework you are going to submit in that way. HTML, CSS, you are able to see. Bootstrap, JavaScript will be there, React will be there, daily homework. Okay. So we will try that. Now let me log out from here. Tomorrow we'll guide you everyone. You can create your own account. You will go there, and whichever the number you will give to Info Campus, using that number you can register email ID and password. And after that, we'll say, okay, HTML set number 3. So you will log in, go to the assignment and click on HTML, then set 1 to 6 will be there. You will go to the set number 3 and see the photo, and after that do the homework and again post in the photo. Right? Later, once you come to CSS, we'll guide you CSS set number 1. So go there, set number 1 photo, click, enlarge will happen, see that, and then design it. I don't need to post to the photo in the where? In the group. I'll guide you, okay, set number 3 means HTML set number 3. Now go see the HTML set number 3, what design of photos are there. Based on what you have attended the class, do that. If you are doing, then what will happen is, you will not get fail anywhere in the machine round. If anyone will give you the task, do and show me, you will not feel like what I'm going to do. Happily you can do and show, right? That important part. Okay, so this file is ready. Okay, so this, now you see mobile number got combined. Row span, call span. I hope you are clear now. Now next we are going to understand in our table structure, we have written two type of table structure. One is this one. That only we are following till now. We have not written example for second one. So how to use the T head, where to use the T body, where to use the T port, correct? So next example will guide us T head, T body and port. Without Angular React, this method is okay. Which method? The first method. With Angular or React, without second method, it will not allow. It will give the warning. Okay, it will not allow to create the page using table in Angular and React if you are not following the T head, T body and T port. So that will be compulsory. This is also important to know. So we'll create next file table5.html. Table a regular class daily assignment, time to time online test. Okay, online test must multiple choice question. A lot of question answers are there. Okay, after finishing HTML, we'll enable HTML. You can test yourself where you are. Okay, after finishing CSS, we'll enable the CSS test. You can give and you will come to know out of 100 where I am, how many correct I did, how many wrong. Okay, so a regular class, daily homework, time to time online test, attend the interviews wherever they are sending. Correct. Follow the rule regulation. Will give you question answer a lot of question answer will give you daily homework. If you are following properly, then people will not get fail in interview. Those people get fail who do today and forget tomorrow. Or today assignment I'll do tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. Okay, so that all you can keep in mind. Okay. HTML 5 page come. Oh, I created table only. It should be table 5. Table 5. .html. Body. Next, after that, write a table again. But in this table, you cannot write the caption. Can you see here in the table structure? Do you have anywhere caption place? No. But in first table, we have a place for caption. Now using caption, what you are doing? You are creating the headline of the table. You are creating the headline that reflect here. You can see. It's a reflecting. After looking into this slide headline, will come to know this example is of row span and column span. Right? So in this table, you don't have any kind of caption. So you will write H1 in the beginning itself, and you will keep align as a center, so that in the beginning of the table, H1 will present a heading. Right call something item list. Okay, item list. Table open close. Align right is center. Cell padding right number 10 12 is fine. Border you can give also, you can leave also. Apply the width property 70% of your screen. Okay, got it. Come inside. Now write the T head. Then write the T put. Then write the T body. T head, T put, T body. T head, T put, T body. When you write it, T head you write anywhere, no matter. T foot you write anywhere inside the table, no matter. T body you write anywhere, no matter. Now what we saw is T head is the first, T foot is the second, and T body is the last. But when you run the page, T head will be on the top itself, T foot will be the last. T foot will be the last. T body will be the middle. You write in the last also, no problem, but it will come in the middle. When? At run time. Purposefully, I have written in the last to understand when we run where it will come. Okay. But when you will write, you will follow the sequence. First T head, then T body, and then T foot. Okay. Even after writing also, we'll check how it works. Then we'll do the cut test. We'll change the position. In T head, you have to write the TR. And there you have to write called TH. 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 Okay. Write something, item list you have written. So you can write item number. You will write next TH. Item price also. Next TH we can write price per unit. Next TH we can write item price already we have written. This should be item name. Item number, item name, item price. Quantity. Then you can write one more column called TH details. Okay, T head is ready, but we can change the color for T head. Then we'll come to know this is from the T head. For TR, write busy color. A red color you can write. Table heading will be red, upper portion. T put will be the next step. Okay. T head open close. Now T put, right? Inside the T put, write the TR again. This TR BG color is sky blue. Now come down, write the TD or not TD, TH only. This all TH. The TH you have written on the top, same TH you copy and paste under the T foot. T head and T foot, the content will be same. T head will come on the top, T foot will come in the bottom. Color combination we are given different. One place BG color red, another place BG color sky blue. Rotate sky blue as well as red. Write it. After that, we will now we'll go for the T body. Come to the T body. In T body, you will write again TR, TR. Then you have to write the TD. Zero one. Even for T body, you can write align sentence. So every content will come in center. Align center. So everything will come in the center. T body align center, everything will come in the center. Come down. Second TD, item name. Dell laptop. Price. Next TD quantity. 10. Details. System. Okay, check now. Run this file. T head, T body, T foot is written. Once we run it, you will see the T body will take in the middle. T head is on the top, T foot is in the last, and T body is in the middle. Okay, code is here there also. sequence you have written something else, but when it run, it come to the place. Now item list, you can copy paste 6-7 times. The item list we have written that we can copy and paste 6-7 times. TR. Please you can let me know also, looking similar or something else. This is the final output. After adding one element, after adding one item. Tag it properly, you have open close, all problem will be 0. Work for 3 people. Should work for everyone. Yeah, you can copy paste to 4 times. Went wrong. Yeah, same as people. E is not in the video. Yeah. Yeah, background spirit. Okay, next, moving on. We need to add one more TR. You added copy paste done. How many times? Dummy data, copy paste, no problem. For 5 times. It will look there is a lot of data. Same TR, copy and paste multi times. Something like this. Okay. So this portion becomes a T head, this becomes a T foot, and this becomes a T body. Then you will ask why we need to follow the T head, T body, T foot. I'll guide you on internet what is the meaning of this. So first add the TR, copy paste no. This TR you copy and paste below 3-4 times. Copy paste कीजिए उसको, TR copy and paste 3-4 times below. In the T body itself. One TR we have written with the data. That TR you need to copy and paste below 6-7 times. No. Okay. Now let us see importance of T head, T body, and T foot. Okay. Assume like in your project, there is a 5 lakh project, 5 lakh product, or maybe 1 lakh product only. Assume 1 lakh product. In your e-commerce project, there is a 1 lakh product you are selling on internet. Or instead of 1 lakh, if you say 5,000 is also not less, it's big only.
Sir, in my table, it's coming space. Item number is coming. Then in item name, it is not coming anything. And in price, it is coming Dell laptop.
Price is coming.
Price is coming as Dell laptop, and there is one gap in between.
TD you have not closed. You have not closed the TD. Check that.
Yes, sir, I'll check.
Check now. No? TD are closed. One gap will come because the TD is not closed. If TD is not closed, it will consider as a open again.
Yes, sir, I had not closed PD. It's coming running.
That is the problem. Okay.
Yes.
Now let me go to the internet and search call datatables.net. 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 You can see this is also one table itself. This is also one table, but it has all the features. It has all the features like sorting is there. We can sort by age, sort by date, sort by position, sort by name. Okay. Next, after that, it has the option, since it says that there are 57 records, and 57 record if it display in one page, it may be page will look longer. So they have applied a feature called pagination. Can you see here? The buttons are coming called as a pagination, right? Pagination. Now, apart from that, one more feature is there, search. When you type in the search box, it will search and display. Let me write LON, only London will come. If you write call CH, chief, only chief will come, CHI. Yeah, see. Yeah. Right, I wrote chief. So only what is coming? Chief. So what is this called? This is called a data grid. This is called a data grid. Every project will have requirement. You have 10 lakh records. How can you display the 10 lakh? If you display 10 lakh record in one page will become from India to Australia. Length of the page will become how bigger? Such a big, right? And so in that case, we have to apply the limit. So that limit will happen through this. That is called a pagination. First page, first 10, second page, next page, changing. Maybe sometime any customer will call, they'll say, this is my mobile number, I wanted something. Then he will go here directly in the text box and you will type his mobile number and come to know your particular details. Correct? So what will happen? It will increase your work speed. Now to integrate this data table in the future, what is the requirement in your table? How you should do that? Okay. So first condition of this, you can see the heading is on the top and heading is in the bottom also. Both the places heading are there. So this heading is coming from the T head and this is coming from the T foot. Now this library, data tables library is like if you have a table and if you have follow the T head and T foot, then 2 line of code if you write, this feature will get applied in your page also. Searching, sorting, pagination, everything will get applied if you write just 2 line of code. Okay, what is that? Let's look at here. You can see this is 2 line of JavaScript code, 3 line of JavaScript code. After creating the page, create the page based on T head, T foot, and T body, and then copy this 3 line of JavaScript code and paste in your page anywhere after a script tag. Then automatically this feature will get applied, but we have to call this to library. We need to link it, then it will happen. Now this library will check in current page wherever you have the T foot. After T foot, automatically this feature will apply. That is called pagination. And it will check in current page where is the T head. Before T head, automatically searching and the sorting will apply. Okay. And after that, in T head, whichever the TR you have written on that TH, automatically this sorting feature will get applied. So those all are written under this library, CSS library, JavaScript library, right? So to integrate this feature in the future, Angular project also says you have bulk data, because of that you are developing the project. Now in that project you need to have a lot of functionality, searching, sorting, pagination. So better than that, whenever you are creating the table, if your table is holding the list of the item, then you must need to follow this one. T head, T foot, as well as T body. Because in the future, even your target will be here only. Only integrating with the data tables. Now look down what are the company use that. Right? Is all top level companies are using or not? Correct? And your project will be also similar kind of requirement where you will have a data, paging, searching. So to write this functionality, like suppose someone will say, write this pagination code manually. It will take long time. Every developer cannot write. If suppose someone says searching, do the searching here. It will take long time. Every developer cannot write it. Need to have very strong knowledge. Correct? But based on this library, any fresher person also can integrate. A person who is a fresher, he has no much skill of JavaScript, he can integrate this. How? Just he need to follow the rule regulation. Okay. So because of that, we need to know which one, T head, T body, and T port. Okay. Come next now. Table related example is end. After that, we have to go for the next one. Okay. Some more properties are there in between 2, 3. While creating the for the next example, we'll use it. Linking we have seen somewhere. Right? You have created a link somewhere. Link we have seen. Target property also we saw something. Few targets are pending. That we'll see. Come on. Right. Next example will be called how to create multiple blocks. How to create multiple blocks in a page using HTML. How to create multiple blocks in a page using HTML. Like suppose you are creating a page and you want one page to divide into multiple sub-blocks. So we have a tag called, it's an old technique, but it is going to give a lot of logic. Okay, it will give you a lot of logic. Hello. बोलिए. नाम बताइए अपना. ठीक है, कॉल करेंगे 10 मिनट में आपको. Okay, so written frame set. Next, after that, one tag is called frame set, another tag is called frame. Using frame set, what you can do, it will, or it used to divide HTML page into page into multiple blocks. And this frame tag, what it will do, it used to call a HTML file HTML file under a specific block. A specific block. A specific block. Maybe someone will look into your system, they will ask, FrameSet is not used in the market now. You will answer them, it is a preparation for the future. It is a preparation for the future. Okay, so FrameSet, even I am also agree, we don't use anywhere, but it will give you the idea what is the meaning of synchronous and asynchronous. Okay, how synchronous page load and how asynchronous page load. What is the difference between that? Hot demanded question from the market. Okay, write it. So what we said, we wrote like it used to divide HTML page into multiple blocks. Like suppose using the FrameSet tag, you created a page and that page you divided into 3 blocks. Now under each block you want to display something, right? So under each block you have to display something. So something will come from there, some other page. So there is another tag. That tag is called a frame. Frame tag will help you to call a file in a given block. Like suppose you have 3 blocks in one page and you have 3 separate files. Now each file you can call under each block with the help of second tag. That is called a frame tag. This technique we achieve using the JavaScript, that's called Ajax. The similar technique we achieve through the jQuery, that is called jQuery Ajax. Similar functionality we achieve through the Angular, that is called routing. Similar feature we achieve through the React, that is also called a routing. Okay. Now next, we'll create one file and we'll see how that works. Okay. So write one file, frame1.html, in which folder? Wherever you are creating. Okay. Write a file called frame1.html. Frame1.html. Okay, start from the HTML and don't write the body tag. Either body or FrameSet, anyone. Okay, so in this file we are writing as a FrameSet, so we'll not call the body. FrameSet. Open and close. FrameSet represent the, not represent, FrameSet has two property. One property called row, another property called calls. Sometimes you want to make the page row wise, header on the top, footer in the last, and container in the between. That called the row wise division. First row, second row, third row. Sometimes we want column wise, navigation in the left and data in the right. That's called a column wise division. So it has both the options, rows and columns. So we'll write as a row wise. Right. Rows, ROWS. Rows, okay. And then total, what is the height of your screen? What is the height of your screen, monitor, laptop? No idea. Even I don't know what is the height of my screen. But as a developer, as soon as this question comes, what is the height of your screen? 100%. What is the width of your screen? 100%. Clear? What is the pixel? Then we can say, we'll write a JavaScript line, then I'll come to know what is the width. Right? Else measurement tape is required. So developer, where is the measurement tape here? You don't have measurement tape, no? So you will say, okay, no problem. Give 1 minute, I'll write a JavaScript line and then I'll find what is the height and what is the width. Using JavaScript, we'll find what is the height and what is the width. In pixel. But in percentage, your mobile phone height is also 100% and mobile phone screen width is also 100%. Your laptop height is also 100%. My laptop height is also 100%. Else, if you calculate pixel wise, then some user laptop height is 700, some user laptop height is 500. Clear? Some user laptop width is 2000, some user laptop width is 1500. If you create based on pixel, then everyone device is different pixel. You will create the page for your system, it will work in your system only. It will not work on someone else's system. So we'll work on pixel wise also, and we'll work on percentage wise. Condition will be there. Now we will write percentage wise. So what output will come in my system, similar output will come in your system also. Since your screen height is different, my screen height is different, but we'll be calculating based on percentage, not based on pixel. Okay. When you open any website and when you open in laptop, it will fit in laptop properly. Same website you open in mobile phone, and mobile phone also it fit properly. Happen or not? Right? How it work? Laptop height is such a big here, 2000 by say 800, 900, right? And the mobile phone is height and width how much? Not even half of the laptop. But there also content will fit, and in mobile also content will fit, because it is designed based on percentage, not based on pixel. Okay. For pixel, we have condition, rule, regulation we have. Okay. So you will write now total height of your screen, my screen, everyone's screen. Total height is only 100%. Now in 100%, we want to make 3 rows. Okay. 3 rows. So let's give 10% height to first row, 10% height to first row, and then 1 comma. Okay, so it will occupy the 10% height of your screen. Next, give 70% height to the second row. Right, third call. How much pending? 20%. 20% height to the last row. Okay, so total height of the screen will divide into 3 rows. 10%, 70%, and 20%. Width is how much? 100% again. It is going to take total full width. Okay. Now using frame set tag, you make 3 rows. Now under each row, you are going to call it different files, and that will happen through another tag. Which one? Frame, right? So let's write here. Now frame set you wrote, you got idea what is the height of your screen? 100%. What is the height of width of your screen? 100%. Okay. Tomorrow we'll create some more example. Based on that, you will come to know what is the meaning of synchronous and what is the meaning of asynchronous. Okay, synchronous and asynchronous. Okay, now right here, a tag called frame SRC. SRC represents source. Okay, SRC property represents source. So in this top 10%, first 10%, you are going to call a file. What is the source of that? Where is that file? Source means what? Location. Where is that file? Correct? So that file will create under the same location in same folder. Let's write here call header.html. We have to create one file, header.html. So this will go to the first 10%. Okay. First 10%. After writing, copy paste the same line and change the file name welcome.html as well as footer.html. Header welcome footer. Save the file, run it. Here is a possibility of mistake. The rows you have written first line in double quote start and double quote end. 3 times we will write the value separated by comma. Okay. 10%, 70%, 20%. 10, 70, 20. Header is not exist, welcome is not exist, footer is not exist. So if you run file, it will say 3 places page not found. Run it and check once. Page not found will come 3 places in your screen. It should come something like this. Page not found. Because header is not there, you are calling. Footer is also not there. Welcome is also not there. So those files are not exist. Which file we are calling? Definitely it will say page not found. Sequence, showing holiday. Page not found. Yes. Something wrong. Go to your code. So you have written frame set. The first line is frame set. Line number 2. Frame set. SCP. We know also close SCP frame set. Last line. Yes. Okay. So hope your page will divide into how many blocks? 3 blocks. Definitely page not found will come because pages are not there. It's like this. Now we can create 3 pages and each page we can load under the 3 blocks. Open and close. Page not found 3 times, definitely. Next, after that, I think we can spend time tomorrow. We'll create 2-3 type of example, row wise as well as column wise. And then in developer guide, you have written one place. You can see here, we have written one place, target equal to user defined, correct? So new blank and self we have seen, right? Using frame set, we can create our own target. We can click in the left and page will appear in the right. Same page, it will not go to the other page. Okay, that we'll see tomorrow something. It will give very good logic. When you open the page and when you go to the Gmail and click in the link left side and content appear in the right side, you will feel like, oh, my page also work like this. Okay, but this is the based on which one? Old technique. Further, once we learn JavaScript, we'll implement Ajax to achieve similar functionality. Okay, again in JavaScript only we have API to achieve similar functionality. And again in jQuery we have called jQuery Ajax, little better than JavaScript Ajax. Okay, in jQuery Ajax, see in this we have problem, then people have made the JavaScript Ajax. In JavaScript Ajax we have problem, then people has made jQuery Ajax. In jQuery Ajax has again problem, then people has made Angular React. Okay. Okay then. Homework, how many pages are there? 6, 7 pages are now. Try that. It will be helpful for you. Okay, do that and then send the photo in group. Right? Okay, we can log out. This page we'll see tomorrow again. Set related stuff.
Thank you, sir.
I'll send you the video link by 10 p.m. nearly. 10:30. You can watch today or tomorrow.